I'm Tim SqWAYre of New Perspectives Music and SqWAYretools.com, and this is my newest tool called the SqWAYre Rocker. It's a fret rocker, but it's better than everyone else's, and here's why. While my fret rocker design looks basically the same as all the other ones on the market, this one has a few key differences. It has multiple length sides for spanning the distance between 3 frets, so you can rock and see if the one in the middle is higher. So it can do the job of your existing fret rocker, but where this one strays is on the tip. Instead of going to a point, I made this one more tiny side for when you're working on shorter scale instruments or instruments that go to 24 frets. I found that most fret rockers can't span that, but then it's also still long enough on the long side to do even 35-inch scale basses. But it's not just a fret rocker. You'll notice that it has some markings on it to help you do other things, like, for example, find the center of your nut and figure out where you want to put your string spacing. So here you can see I'm using my center square, another tool available at SqWAYretools.com, to find the center of my fingerboard, and I'm putting in a blank nut, and now I can use this built-in ruler which is marked with the center, and I can use the circles that are in the center of the tool to line up with the center line I just drew, and then figure out where I want to put all my strings on the nut. So that's one thing you can do, but the other thing you can do with it is take your favorite nut. For example, if you have one that you're just recutting, and you can use the blank side and just same thing, center the rocker on the neck, mark them off, and then just transfer those lines to your other nut. Nice and simple. And since this is powder coated aluminum, you can simply clean it off when you're done. Like most tools I make, whenever I have a straight edge somewhere, I put a ruler on it because you can find many uses for that ruler, such as setting string depth. I made a very small introductory batch, so this first batch I had to do a little bit of trial and error to get them all right, but future versions will be even better, and they are all available at SqWAYre Tools right now. So if you like being someone to have one of the first, here's your chance before the next batch, which will look just a little bit different. Again, it's called the SqWAYre Rocker, and it's available only at SqWAYretools.com.